Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the correct SSD type and confirming compatibility. First, inspect your motherboard for M. 2 slots or available SATA ports. Make sure form factor matches like 2. 5 versus M. 2280. Once done, power down and unplug, then back up any important data to an external drive or cloud. You should also prepare tools: a screwdriver, anti-static strap, and any bracket or cable. These steps prevent wasted purchases and hardware mistakes, so do them before you now install and connect the drive with steady hands. For a 2.5 SATA unit, slide it into the bay and attach the SATA data cable and power cable. For M.2, align the notch, insert at an angle, and press down to secure with the mounting screw. Once physically installed, reconnect power and boot into BIOS to confirm the drive is detected. If not visible, make sure SATA ports are enabled and NVMe support is active. Then boot to your OS installer or disk utility to prepare the disk. You finish by initializing, partitioning, and formatting the SSD. Choose GPT for modern systems and create suitable partitions. If you clone the existing OS, use a reliable cloning tool and verify alignment and trim support. Otherwise, perform a clean install to avoid legacy clutter. After installation, test read/write speeds and stability with a benchmark or normal tasks, then tidy cables and close the case. If the drive isn't detected or shows slow speeds, check the slot type, update BIOS, and confirm drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.